Joyla ga ngazothuka umntwana. Ngazothuka umntwana. Ngazothuka umntwana. Ngazothuka umntwana. Ukwakile ngwana ka maobane.
Ngwana ke na shonjwa.
Yes.
O believe ngwana ha.
Why ke sa mkamela umbelieve wa bane lo wena no mokwalletse ka mole ka kantong ka
Kwaletse ka mo.
Why
ke mseka la.
We cannot start mothapo wa bona tlo rasa tena ka sekolo. Ke sekolo ho ya.
I have launched a case with the department and until the department the situation unfolds. Then
you
take your place. But I don't right to go to Mutana. I don't right to go to Mutana.
Protection order.
Protection order. I can steal.
You can go and do that.
You don't.
Yeah, police station right now get protection order. Because they rob we every day.
I know.
We cannot. It's not gonna happen that one. How na mothato lo rockang every day ka ga tsa school. How na re tlo rasetso.
Yena wa sa ngwana ka ke etse jwa. Bona le bopaki na. Ke na le bopaki ngwana ka o ntshwatsa ke. Ngwana a thola khuto. Wa tseba ke ntate. If this is about me, challenge me, not ngwana.
Challenge go rena.
How wana ke kopa amen. Ke kopa le eme mo kofe. Ke kopa le tlole ngwana. No.
Ngwana a etsa ga ke tsa ditshakela. Bona le code of conduct.
Mamel.
Wana tla ke kopa sisi no. Ka be re tshukundana. Come on.